Did you know that fish can change their gender? Well, believe it or not, there's a species of fish that can actually do that. We'll tell you all about them, but first, we need to start at the beginning. Some are brightly colored, while others are more camouflaged. Some are small, while others can grow to be several feet long. This is because they have special organs called gills that allow them to extract oxygen from the water. Gills are located on the sides of a fish's head, and they are made up of thin, delicate tissue. When water passes over the gills, oxygen is absorbed into the bloodstream and carbon dioxide is released. Well, it all has to do with their survival instincts. By sacrificing themselves, they ensure that the group will survive, and that's what matters most to them. It is better to have your friends and family survive and carry on your legacy than to have them all die because you were too selfish to give up your life. This allows fish to breathe underwater, and it's one of the things that makes them so unique. They live in groups, which makes them more vulnerable to predators. After all, when you live in a group, you have more enemies. This is why they have developed such strong bonds with each other. They know that they can rely on each other for help, and they're always willing to lend a fin or scale to their friends. But no matter what they look like, all fish have one thing in common. They live underwater. And that's something we can all learn from them. So, next time you see a fish, remember that it may be more than meets the eye. It may be a selfless hero just waiting to save the day. This means that they can blend in with their surroundings, making it difficult for predators to see them. Let us know in the comments section below, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Some fish have colors that match the coral reef they live in, while others have patterns that break up their outlines, making them harder to spot. This ability to camouflage themselves helps to protect fish from predators, and it's one of the reasons why they're able to survive in the wild. And they do it willingly to protect their own. These fish live in groups. And if one of them is about to get eaten by a predator, they will sacrifice themselves to save their own. That's right, these fish would rather be eaten than watch their friends get eaten. You see, some fish live in groups, and if one of them is about to get eaten, they'll sacrifice themselves to save the others. To do this, they'll change their gender so that the predator will eat them instead of their friends. Can you believe that? A fish willing to sacrifice itself to save its friends? If you want to learn more about these amazing creatures, then stick around until the end of this video. There are many different species of fish in the world, and all of them are unique in their own way. One of the most interesting things about fish is that they can breathe underwater. Another amazing thing about fish is their ability to camouflage themselves, but not all fish are created equal. Some are more vulnerable to predators than others, and that's where the whole changing their gender part comes in. Now you might be wondering why they would do such a thing. These fish are true heroes. They put the needs of others before their own, and they're willing to make any sacrifice necessary to save their friends. These fish are truly selfless. They're willing to give up their own lives to save their friends. And if you liked the video, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more. This was James, and you've been watching your channel, Valley of Knowledge. Stay curious, and see you in the next one.